Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hometainment. Today I am sharing the recipe of Kale Bhunne Chane Aloo ki sabji or black chickpeas aloo masala recipe. This is a quick recipe and we can prepare it in 15 minutes if we have boiled black chickpeas. Let's start with the ingredients. Ingredients are given in the description box. You can take it from there. For cooking, take cooking oil 1/4 cup and let it heat. Now add deseeded green chillies 5 to 7 and quarter teaspoon of salt and let it cook on low flame until the color changes of these green chillies. When the green chillies color change to different shade, remove it from the pan and set it aside. We will use these for garnishing and it will give a good taste with these chana masala. Now in the same pan, add 1 medium sized onion chopped and cook until the color changes to little translucent. Now cover this with lid and let it cook for 5 minutes so that onions can be a little softer without burning. We are not caramelizing it, but we are making it a little softer. Now it's completely translucent. Now add chopped garlic 2 to 3 cloves or 1 teaspoon. After adding this garlic chopped, we will cook more for 5 minutes with covered lid so that they will combine their flavors. The color of onions is light golden brown. Now add tomato puree or tomato paste. You can blend 3 to 4 tomatoes to make 1 cup of puree, or you can use store-bought puree. Both options are good. Now add our spices like salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, chaat masala powder, ginger powder and coriander powder. Quantities are given in the description box and it is also labeled here, so you can add salt and red chilli powder up to your taste. Mix all the ingredients and cover the pan for 5 minutes until the water dries and oil starts separating. Give it a stir for 3 to 5 minutes and add boiled potatoes. This is about 1 cup or 2 medium sized potatoes. I have already boiled, peeled and cut it into the pieces. Now I am adding already boiled black chickpeas or black grams. Give it a stir for 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. It's already looking very tempting and mouth-watering. Cover the pan and let it cook for another 10 minutes on a very low flame. Now garnish it with fresh coriander and serve it hot with your green chilies, pickles and bread. You can eat it as it is like a chaat. It's very delicious and it can be prepared in a very quick time. Enjoy this delicious quick lunch recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. अल्लाह हाफिज़।